Hey dudes, do you know there are plenty of smart English words that you can use to avoid the excessive use of very in your speaking? Well, let's have a look at them. Very bright, luminous, very bright, luminous. You can also use shiny, dazzling, glaring, radiant. What did I say? Shiny, radiant, glaring, dazzling. You can end up using these words instead of saying very bright. Well, let's see what next. Very confused, perplexed, very powerful, compelling, very difficult, arduous. Now your job is to start creating sentences by using these advanced words. Have a great day ahead.